These humble nuts weave a story of heritage, flavor, and nutritional richness. Nestled in the heart of North America grows a nut with a rich history and an even richer nutritional profile. The only major tree nut that grows naturally in North America. Today, we're cracking open the story of the pecan. Please watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. In orchards deep where sunlight gleams, pecans sway in golden dreams, their shells a fortress, strong and round, hiding treasures deep underground. The word pecan itself originates from the Algonquian language, reflecting their significance in early American culture. Currency. Pecans were valuable enough to be used as a form of currency by Native Americans for trading. In fact, the word pecan comes from an Algonquin word meaning nut requiring a stone to crack. Through ages past, their story weaves, from native hands to modern leaves, a bounty of the southern land, cracked open by a gentle hand. Medicinal purposes. Native Americans utilized the bark and leaves of pecan trees to treat various ailments, including ringworm and tuberculosis. Spanish explorers first encountered pecans in the 16th century in what is now Louisiana, Texas, and Mexico. As Europeans realized the economic potential of pecans, they began exporting them to Europe, where they were treated as a delicacy. From pecan pies to pralines, these nuts added a touch of decadence to Southern tables. Even Thomas Jefferson was a fan. He planted pecan trees at Monticello and shared them with George Washington. Their popularity extends far beyond regional borders, gracing tables and recipes worldwide. Nutritional powerhouse. But pecans aren't just historically significant, they're a nutritional powerhouse. Just a handful of pecans provides you with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber for digestive health, antioxidants that may help prevent chronic diseases, minerals like zinc and manganese for immune support. Heart health. Pecans are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, levels. This can contribute to a lower risk of heart disease. Antioxidant properties. Pecans are packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic acids, and tocopherols, vitamin E. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Nutrient-rich. Pecans are a good source of various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, vitamin A, folate, potassium, zinc, and magnesium. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, studies suggest that moderate consumption of nuts like pecans may actually aid in weight management. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats in pecans can help increase satiety and reduce overall calorie intake. Digestive health. Pecans are a good source of dietary fiber, which supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Bone health. Pecans contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some studies indicate that the nutrients and antioxidants in pecans may have anti-inflammatory effects, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases associated with inflammation. Brain health. The vitamin E content in pecans may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. From classic pecan pie to savory pecan crusted fish, these versatile nuts add crunch and nutrition to countless dishes. Nutrient-rich, with flavors bold, in pies and treats, their tales are told. From savory dishes to sweet delight, pecans bring warmth with each bite. Recipe: pecan crusted salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets wild-caught, 6 ounces each, 1 cup pecans, finely chopped, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, whole wheat or gluten-free, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons honey, or maple syrup for a vegan option, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder. Pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Prepare the pecan mixture. In a mixing bowl, combine the chopped pecans, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Prepare the salmon. Place the salmon fillets on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. In a small bowl, mix the Dijon mustard and honey. Brush the mixture evenly over the top of each salmon fillet. Coat the salmon. Press the pecan mixture onto the mustard-coated side of each fillet, ensuring it's well covered. Drizzle with olive oil. Lightly drizzle olive oil over the pecan crust for added flavor and moisture. Bake. Bake the salmon in the preheated oven for 15–20 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork and the pecan crust is golden brown. Serve. Remove from the oven and let rest for a few minutes. Serve with fresh lemon wedges and garnish with chopped parsley if desired. Enjoy! This pecan-crusted salmon is not only flavorful but also packed with healthy fats and protein. Pair it with a side of steamed vegetables or a fresh salad for a complete meal. Oleic whispers in each fold, hearts embrace in hues of gold, antioxidants, guardians true, shielding health in every chew. Funny dialogue, pecan nut versus pine nut, a nutty debate. Pine nut, hey pecan, ever wonder who the better nut is? Spoiler alert, it's me. Pecan nut, oh, please? You think you're the best because you hang out in fancy salads? I'm the star of pies. People celebrate me with dessert. Pine nut pies? Really? You think sugary sweets make you superior? I'm in pesto, the gourmet sauce that makes everyone feel like a chef. Pecan nut, gourmet, schmormet. I bring the crunch to every bite, you're just a tiny seed with delusions of grandeur. Pine nut, tiny, yes, but mighty. I'm packed with nutrients. Plus, I have that piney, earthy flavor that screams sophistication. Pecan nut, sophistication? I bring the richness and buttery texture to the table. I'm the nut that makes people say, wow. Pine nut, rich and buttery, huh? People love me because I'm light and healthy. Pecan nut, you mean deliciously satisfying. And let's not forget, I'm full of antioxidants. People snack on me because I'm irresistible. Pine nut, irresistible until they get a taste of my unique, delicate flavor. Ever had pine nut gelato? It's a game changer. Pecan nut, gelato? That's your claim to fame? I've got pralines, pecan pie, and I'm even in salads. Versatility is my middle name. Pine nut, versatility? I'm used in everything from salads to baking. I add a subtle elegance to any dish. Pecan nut, subtle elegance? I add boldness and flavor. Without me, pecan pie is just a sad, sweet mess. Pine nut, without me, pesto would just be a bunch of oily basil. Let's face it, we both have our roles, but I bring that special touch. Pecan nut, guess we both have our strengths, but we can agree on one thing. I'm the main event in any dish I'm in. Pine nut, in the world of savory, I reign supreme. Pine nut, and in quality, I stand tall. Pecan, guess we both have our strengths, but we can agree on one thing. Pine nut, what's that? Pecan nut, we're both a shell in good time in any dish. And we both loved by people. Pine nut, cheers to that. Let's stay very nutty, my friend. Stay happy and nutty healthy. I will see you in my next nutty episode. Let us savor, with hearts aligned, the legacy in each pecans find, from fields where seasons softly flow, to tables where their stories grow. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.